Looking for a front license plate bracket that fits your Ford F-250 perfectly and enhances your truck's appearance? This genuine Ford part delivers exactly that: seamless installation and a sleek, custom look that blends right in with your vehicle's body color. Here's the story. Many truck owners face a common issue when purchasing their Ford F-250 out of state, especially from places like Arizona where front plates aren't required. That means your new truck might not come with a front plate bracket, leaving you scrambling for a solution that looks right and fits without hassle. One owner shared how they painted the bracket to match their truck's body color, snapping it in easily and giving their ride a clean, factory-fresh finish. No awkward gaps, no guesswork, just a perfect fit every time. This bracket isn't just about looks. It's built to the exact specifications of Ford, ensuring durability and a flawless fit on models like the 2012 F-250 SD. If you want a hassle-free upgrade that feels like it came straight from the factory, this is the part to get. Worth a look if you're ready to complete your truck's front end with confidence and style. If that's you, someone who values quality, fit, and a polished appearance, consider this front license plate bracket for your Ford F-250. It's a straightforward fix that solves a common problem while giving your truck a subtle, custom edge. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your ride's front profile with a genuine part you can trust.